again. Today I'm gonna try to do readjusting of try to set up the auto bed leveling again. um, so I know there's a problem with this firmware of the creality firmware, but I'm gonna go with the PLA I have, because before I had this I was trying to do this filament PETG. So it has a custom temperature that's different from PLA and ABS, and the custom setting on this creality is ABS and PLA. So, and it doesn't like to change the setting from ABS or PLA. So I'm gonna try to print today um, using PLA, and hopefully it will print. Okay. So unfortunately, firmware issue with the creality, they don't allow you to create your own custom setting, I believe. But I'm gonna live with that for now. So let's do this setting. I heated up the bed to 49. You can't see it here, but I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm gonna use this temperature thermometer thing. So it's about 49 something, not very accurate. 49.7 over there shows on the screen 49. So, and here I'm getting about 50. So the temperature is a little bit off, but for all I care, it's working fine. Okay, now let's do this. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna try to play with the sensitivity of the sensor. Okay, of the auto bed level sensor, because right now, so someone suggested that you have to have your bed heated up first before you adjust the sensitivity, because the heat could affect the sensitivity of your sensor. So what I will do, since it's heated up, this is what I have to do. You see, now it looks like I have my bed leveled, okay, before I did this, and I have this auto homed. So now I adjusted the sensitivity. So bed is already leveled. I use a piece of paper, not a very accurate method, but I have something else I will try with you later, guys. I will show you what I have, but I have some contraptions. I'm gonna use this contraption, but I have to print something for it. This is what I've seen some people using on YouTube. Okay, so I will use that for leveling the bed later on, and I have some other tricks I will show you, but for now I'd use the paper method to level the bed, and I printed something on it prior to doing this video, and it did print. So yeah, so now this looks like the sensitivity is adjusted as well, so there's no problem with the sensitivity. What I'm gonna change, as I mentioned in my previous video, that I have created a banana plug here, cut the wires where the Z-stop is, the Z-stop wire, I cut it so I could reverse these two wires, because this creality kit for the auto bed leveling, they messed it up. They messed up the connection. So you have to cut the wires and switch the wires around. Okay, switch them up. So what, in order for me to do that, for safety, I don't want something to spark or short out. What I will do, turn off the unit completely, and then do the change in front of you guys, so you will see what I'm doing. Disconnect it from the Z-stop. Okay, so this is my nice banana plug connection that I made. Okay, you can see it. Okay, so what I will do, switch them around, just it. This will prevent it, because before it used to be when it hit auto bed level, the print head will go up instead of going down. So this will solve the problem. Okay, so now we plug it into the unit after I reverse the wires. Okay, and I'm gonna restart this machine, and then we'll do the bed leveling with you and see if it's working or not. So restart the machine. I'm gonna preheat everything because I did the sensitivity adjustment when the bed was heated. So now I have to redo the preheating. So I will preheat to PLA setting. So I don't know if you can see it because the screen is too bright on the, yeah, but I'm heating it right now. Okay, for some reason it's not heating the bed, so you have to do that manually. That's the ridiculous thing with the PLA setting, because they assume when you do your PLA setting, the preset settings, they assume the bed's supposed to be 0, which is fine. You could make it 0 if you want. If you could make the temperature 0, it will work fine, but I prefer to have a little bit of temperature. Okay, it will make the filament stick better. So I put about 44 here. Just wait for it until it goes to 44, 45, or even 50. Between 45 to 50, that's what I prefer for my PLA. Okay, it will help with adhesion sticking the filament to the bed. I don't use glue or anything, I just use this painter's tape, and this seems to be good. I do have the glass that came with this printer. I don't like the glass because it uses clips, and yeah, for that reason I don't like it. So and the print head knocks off the clips, so when it's like auto bed leveling or printing something, it just hits the clips, and then the whole thing just like the clips goes on the floor. And this what this does, if you bed leveled your printer using the glass and one of the clips came off, then your bed leveling will also be off. So you have to put back the clip, or you're gonna lose your leveling because the glass will move up where the clip came off, right? So this, for this reason, I just chose to not use that glass. So now it looks like we have 44 degree already. I'm going to, I don't know, you can't see it, but I'm going to choose to level it now. You will see the whole process. Okay, so we go to we'll do the auto bed leveling right now. I can't see that option, so I probably have to hit home first. We'll do homing first. Again, home. So we're homing it, and then this is the, so homing it goes to the center here for this one. You can see the sensitivity of the sensor is red, so that's good. That means it's detecting the metal. Alright, and let's now do the bed leveling. Okay, we click on, you don't see the option here, but the option here is called level bed. After you do, it's supposed to do now the bed leveling on its own. Let's hope there's no problem. Let's hope so. So it doesn't go to the center after the bed levels. So that's one thing you have to keep in mind. I don't know why. Anyways, so I'm gonna try to print something out. I will probably make a part 2 because I have to change the filament again. So I don't want, this video has already been 10 minutes. I don't want you guys to wait longer than 10 minutes. I try to keep my videos within 10 minutes.